How to copy the link of your public profile on Snapchat. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to copy the link of your public profile on Snapchat easily. So all what you have to do is easy, just go to Snapchat like this, and now go to the top corner, click on your avatar. Click on your avatar, scroll down, click on my public profile option. This is my public profile, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner again and click on the settings option. And now on this page you will find many options. Click on share profile, click on it and click share profile URL, and click on copy to clipboard. Now I just copied the link of my public profile easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.